So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made $330 trading this simple trading strategy in the forex markets. So guys, for those who don't know who I am, my name is Tom. I've been trading for nearly 2 years now, and I've managed to gain over 6 figures in funding with multiple different firms. And today I just wanted to let you guys know how I managed to capitalize on this move this week. Right, so without further ado, let's get into it. So going into this, I want everyone to know that everything I do is very simple. I just use key levels and market structure, and usually pair with a Fibonacci level. But what I'd like to quickly note with you guys is that overcomplication doesn't mean it's better. Okay, so I trade support and resistance, very simple stuff, doesn't need to be complicated, okay? So moving into this now, I want to quickly break down this chart. This position was a 1 to 2 RR, so we had a 20 pip stop loss and a 46 pip TP. Trims were taken along this move just to secure some profits. When we look at this GU chart, what I was looking at is this major level of resistance here. Quickly, we managed to deplete, as we can see with this nice wick rejection, and also bearish volume stepped in here. I was looking at, right, we had a nice rejection on here. We didn't form a new high. We found resistance at this high, okay? Then I scaled down from this resistance level, and basically all I waited for was a retest up into this zone for a lower time frame entry. So we got a tap into this zone, we depleted, we have a wick rejection here, and we did end up retesting, but I was looking at here at this structural low, okay, on a lower time frame, retested up into this zone, formed a lower high on the lower time frame, also depleted with this wick rejection. We had a low time frame break of structure with this candle engulfing. Then also I entered at this low here, so yeah, I didn't get the ideal entry, but I wanted to wait for that selling volume to hit in. Okay, yeah, we did run into a bit drawdown. We retested this zone and rejected. Then once we sold off, we melted throughout then. So once we sold off, we managed to hit TP at this level of support. Okay, what we could have seen as well, what we could have added is a Fibonacci. Yes, we tapped into a discounted zone. That's quite a good fundamental piece of technical analysis that we can add in, but again, I'm keeping it very simple. Support and resistance is what I tend to trade paired with market structure, okay? So obviously this was a great TP placement here. Price managed to form this higher low, and then we broke structure to the upside, and we did rally up, but then obviously we sold off at this resistance level again. So you could have sold it again, because clearly it was a strong level of resistance. So if we show how this could have been utilized, if we look over here, we can see that we did tap this resistance zone again, and then the same thing happened, right? So we retest, let's go into a low time frame, retested these structural lows, okay? We depleted, we had a little low time frame break of that candle, right? So you could have placed SL above here, and then again put TP at the same support level. Right, so that would have been a 1 to 5, okay, utilizing the same strategy in a different way, okay, or just a different time. It's the same stuff. All right, it's very simple stuff. See, that TP would have obviously just about been hit, but that's probably going to get hit on open. Also, what we could have done is have SL above this high, just to give it that little bit of extra room if we wanted to retest up like we did here. So yeah, that's pretty simply put what I utilized in this position. Obviously, example here, and it happened again. So let's see if we can find a way to the upside that we could have done a similar sort of thing. Support was clearly found, volume started to step up, broke above this high, breaking structure. We could have retested into this zone. Okay, so we broke up and retested. So this is just scaled on a lower time frame like the other trade. We had the support level, okay, where we had a resistance level. We had a high low formed instead of a lower high formed, and we broke and retested like we did on the bearish zone. So obviously this would have been a big SL placement. I would have probably not had my SL there. I would have under this structural low and maybe a bit of support. So where can we target? Obviously price rallied, and we are looking in hindsight, but price could have been at this structural low that we broke here. Let me move it a bit down to there. Okay, so yeah, obviously TP would have hit. So that's all I have to say today, guys. You know, keep it simple. Like, don't try overcomplicate trading. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you understood it thoroughly. Please like and subscribe. Obviously, we want to get these videos running up for you guys. So a little bit of support will help. And also, if you want one-to-one or join in my Discord group for alerts, etc., and my analysis, please check the link below. There also is a free link below that you can also join, and you usually will be able to see weekly positions sent out for free. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope this really helped you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.